Okay, so this is just to demonstrate that when the car is parked overnight and it's been driven during the day when it's wet or when it's rainy, the brakes lock up when I tend to lock up overnight, and then when I pull off, you hear a big thud from all four brakes. So I want to see if I can get that remedied. So I'm right now I'm doing the handbrake, putting the car in gear, first gear, and I'm about to move forward. Okay, so you caught that. That was front and that was back brakes that looked to have been seized. So I'm not quite sure why it's doing that. Now I'm in the parking garage right now, and I haven't hit the brakes yet. I'll need to hit the brakes when I get upstairs to exit the underground parking, and at that point you'll be able to hear how badly these brakes are squeaking. I'm gonna open the windows here. So far I haven't touched the brakes, I'm just in first gear. Rounding the corner here. Okay, I'm about to hit the brakes. Now this will continue when I exit the building. So listen for the squeak. Yeah, so this is what I want remedied. This is consistent. This happens every single time I'm in the car, and for that matter, it's squeaking. Doesn't matter where I am. Maybe not as loud, but it's consistent. So there's something wrong here.